How to watch a live video on Instagram. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will learn how we can watch live videos on Instagram. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that, first of all, open up Instagram application and make sure that you're logged into your account. So unlike other application, Instagram does not have a direct features in order to get to the live section to watch live, but alternatively what you can do is at the top of your feed you will see circles or you'll see stories in the circles. So if someone is live, their profile picture will have a live badge, and then you can tap to start watching the live from this section at the top right here. Or the next method, what you can do is you can simply use the search bar. So tap in the search bar or search icon from the bar at the bottom of your home page, and in the search bar you can search for any of the name of the account that you know or that you follow in order to view their live. So if they are live, their profile will show a live button. You can tap it and then you can view it. So that's the only way to view live on Instagram, since Instagram does not have a full live explore tab. But sometimes during special events or trends, Instagram may have live videos on the explore page or top live videos. So that's the way, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.